What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider, or welcome to Solo MC Rider. Today I'm here at CFMOTO demo ride. I was really hoping to ride the 675SS, but looks like it's not, you can't ride it yet. So I chose to riding the 450SS. Joining the group. Never rode a 450SS before. This is the first time. It's been a while since I rode a sports bike. Wow. No quick shifter. Wow, very sporty position, but very nice and nimble. Very small bike. I started off my riding back in the days when I started. It was the Kawasaki Ninja 250. Wow, but it's good, pretty good pull for a 400cc bike. Some gravels, you gotta be careful. Wow, very sporty, aggressive riding position. But ride's pretty smooth. Okay, I can see the back. Not bad. I didn't have a time to go over the bikes, all the bells and whistles, because I just got in and they're about to head out. So that was the last bike available. I was really hoping to ride the 675. Yeah, it's a pretty peppy little engine for 400cc, but 399cc, third gear, and pretty smooth too. I haven't rode Kawasaki's Ninja 400, but I did ride the Z400 a couple of years back, and if I can think of the power, this has a lot more to it. I can already feel the pressure on my wrist. Man, no wonder why I switched from a super sports bike to sports touring and cruisers. It's just showing that I'm getting old, and you don't want to be in this position for too long. But other than that, the build quality of this bike, like the mirrors and everything, very smooth. I can see behind me very clear, and like bringing it up to like 8,000 RPM. Not much vibration on handlebar at all on a third gear. Wow, some nice back road. This is my first time on a demo ride with the group, guys. I mean, I just thinking about it. Right? I never had an opportunity to come, or never did, but today is the first time, and we got a lot more here in Texas, so I'm thinking about signing up or going as much as I can. Picks up pretty quick for a 400. Not bad. Wish we could go a little bit faster to see how fast I can go. Like if I could go on a higher speed to figure it out. but I think you shouldn't be any problem doing highway speed on this bike. Let me see, fall back a little bit. 70, almost 80. Not bad at all on the fifth gear, pulling hard. Nice turns. Wow. Some nice turns, but we can't go fast enough to enjoy those turns. But bike feels really nice on the corner. I mean, very confident. I don't know what kind of tire they're using, but they seem pretty good. Not bad. I'm actually enjoying the throttle response of this bike. It's very nice. The feeling still has a cable throttle. Of course, it's not a premium, high, super expensive bike, so going over some bumps, the suspension feels pretty nice. Showing the MPG, it's 59-60 miles per gallon. Riding it in a pretty aggressive gearing, like I'm not even shifting up higher gears. It's a pretty good gas mileage. As the engine temperature and the gas, I mean, it's pretty nice layout. Everything is very nice and clear. Even though the sunlight is hitting directly on the screen, I can see very clearly. And all the information is necessary on the top. You have the temperature, 77 degrees outside. You have the clock, gear indicator, the trip 1 and trip 2, fuel mileage. Yeah, that's very nice layout. The screen nice and bright. The graphics are good. Useful informations are there. Good. We are back. That was a pretty good ride. First time riding on a CFMOTO motorcycle in general, and especially 450SS. Yeah, cool. Finding neutral is pretty cool and easy. Here is the 2024 CFMOTO 450SS. Looks very good on the front. Nice color. Brembo brakes. Oh, no wonder the brakes felt so good. I did not even get to check the bike, but it feels really good on the braking. I mean, it's a single disc, but has Brembo braking. It's cool.